A new chapter begins at Maple Lane. We are thrilled to announce that early bird re-enrollments for the 26-27 school year are now open for daycare through grade 12. Starting October the 20th, you can secure your child's space for another incredible year of learning, discovery, and community at Saint Laurent Academy. But don't wait. Our final early bird registration deadline is December the 16th at 4 p.m. And this year, we're making it even more rewarding than ever. Saint Laurent Academy will continue to hold itself to the highest standards and be accountable for your child's success. With a larger building comes more room to grow, but our mission and commitment to our students remains the same, and we will only be opening approximately 30 new places for new registrations for the 26-27 school year. With a waiting list already started, all registrations will be open to the public as of December the 17th. When you re-enroll by our final registration deadline, December the 16th, you will secure your child's space for the 26-27 school year, receive up to $3,000 off tuition for JK through grade 12 families, enjoy free pre-care for daycare through grade 8, be eligible for sibling discounts of $1,000 per student, receive a uniform startup kit, including a PE top and long sleeve shirt, get back to school supplies like pens, pencils, scissors, rulers, and more. Register for up to 3 resource sessions at a discounted rate. And in addition, even benefit from discounted bus service with new stops across the city and our new Direct School Express Meet Me in the Middle shuttle option. And here's an exciting bonus. If you register by our first registration deadline, November the 28th at 4 p.m., you'll automatically be entered into our 12 days of prize draws and giveaways. From December the 1st to the 16th, we'll be announcing daily prizes, including 1 full tuition giveaway up to $25,000, additional tuition and program discounts between $1,000 and $5,000, gift cards, and so much more. Early bird re-enrollments for the 26-27 school year are now open. With so many incredible benefits, there's never been a better time to secure your child's space for another exciting year at Saint Laurent Academy. Registration opens October the 20th and closes December 16th. Our 26-27 school year will continue to offer daily English, math, phys ed, and French classes, weekly science, social studies, art, drama, woodworking, and music, monthly educational field trips, overnight adventures, and school-wide events. A strong athletics program with Lions League intramurals, sports teams, and enriched physical education outings to local facility partners to further expand on students' skills and experiences in soccer, swimming, martial arts, curling, fencing, and so much more. And an enriched French program with core, intermediate, and advanced French streams. And following positive feedback, continuing our French social studies program for elementary and junior high students. In addition, full-year French credit courses available for high school students. We are proud to offer a high-quality high school program with a strong academic curriculum, comprehensive support that is built on strong lesson plans, meaningful assessments, and a commitment to academic excellence. With a diverse selection of credits, including advanced placement courses, or AP, students are well prepared to pursue their passions and create open pathways leading to post-secondary opportunities. Our school is inspected by the Ministry of Education, ensuring that our curriculum and standards meet all provincial requirements. We guide our students to be independent learners in preparation for their next educational journey. Follow our lead, as Saint Laurent Academy has a 100% post-secondary acceptance rate for grade 12 graduates. We are leaders in education. At Saint Laurent Academy, your child's success is our success. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to save and secure your child's space. Re-enroll early. Registration opens October the 20th, followed by deadline number 1 on November 28th, and our final re-enrollment deadline December the 16th at 4 p.m. All registrations will open to the public as of December 17th, along with a tuition fee increase and early bird incentives, and discounts will no longer apply. As of December 17th, spaces will be available on a first-come, first-served basis and are no longer guaranteed. A new chapter begins at Maple Lane. Let the story continue.
a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. You're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh, oh. 'Cause you get light